Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Deepak Kumar Verma and I am a full stack web developer with over 8 years of experience. We are now in the era of AI and AI has made website creation faster and easier than ever before. A website that used to take 3 to 4 days to build manually can now be created in just 10 to 15 minutes. And today we are going to create a professional portfolio website from scratch and see the incredible power of AI in action. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in order to create the website, we need two tools. First is ChatGPT and second is Lovable. Why we use ChatGPT? With the help of ChatGPT, we will generate prompt and we will use the same prompt in Lovable to generate a website. So let's get started. I have already opened the ChatGPT here. Now I am going to give it a command so it can generate lovable friendly prompt. So guys, here I have given an instruction to the ChatGPT that please generate a lovable friendly prompt for a portfolio website, and I have given details that my name is Deepak Kumar Verma, a full stack web developer with 8 plus years of experience. Over the years, I have built a wide variety of website and web applications across different industries. My expertise includes Money Stack, WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and Go High Level. And you can see other instructions at the very bottom. Now, after giving those instructions to the ChatGPT, I am going to click on this arrow button. Let's click on it. Great guys, it's been generated lovable friendly prompt here. Now we have to copy it. I have copied those prompts from the ChatGPT and let's visit to the Lovable's website. Great guys, we are now in the Lovable's dashboard and here you can see input field where we can paste our prompt and get generated an awesome website. But before that, I would like to explain you a few options in Lovable. As you can see on the left side, you can view your profile here by clicking on this little arrow button. Once you will click on it, you can see about your plan details, you can see about your credits. Currently, I am working on a free plan and I have credit of 5 left. Now, when you will scroll a little bit, you can see there is a search option. Whenever you will click on it, you can search your pre-built websites which you have created earlier. Whenever you will click on the resources, it will redirect it to the another page where you will be able to see few templates already created by Lovable. You can use those templates for your projects if you want. And with the help of connectors, you can bring more power to the Lovable. You can connect WordPress, you can easily connect Shopify, you can connect different platforms like LinkedIn, and you can give those powers to the Lovable easily. Now when you will scroll down, you can see there is an option which says all projects. Whenever you will click on it, you can see all the projects which you have created earlier, and if you have marked any of the project as a start, then you will see those start projects here in the start option, and you can see all the projects which are created by you if you click on the created by me option. Okay, currently you can see 3 projects in my dashboard which I have created, and when you will click on shared with me, then you will have all the projects which was shared by someone else with you. Okay, now I think we have explored all the main options here. Now I am going to visit Lovable's dashboard by clicking on this heart icon, and in the input field I am going to paste my Lovable friendly command. Okay, after entering the prompt, we have to click on this little arrow button. I am going to click on it. Great guys, now Lovable has started creating your website. It will take some time to get it finalized. Till then we have to wait and watch. Great guys, now Lovable has created few templates for us. We have to choose one of them. I am going to scroll down and you will be able to see those templates here. Is the second template and is the third template. I would like to go with the first template, so I will select it by clicking on it and I will click on the select button. Okay, now it has started the process again. Great guys, the Lovable has created this awesome website for us. In order to view the website in full width mode, we have to click on this little icon. Great guys, now we can see our website in full width mode. Here we can see a nice hero section with image, and let's scroll down. We can see a skill section, which is very mandatory thing to have a portfolio website, and we can see a project section, which is also mandatory to have. We can see Lovable has generated few images and attached it with our projects. Let's scroll down. Great guys, here it has listed few technologies which I use personally to promote my branding, and here we can see few key descriptions which will affect the client for sure. And let's scroll down. Great guys, the Lovable has added few testimonials, which is good thing to have. And let's scroll down. It has added the FAQ section, and it has added a nice form. By using this form, your clients can directly communicate with you. So great guys, this is a fully professional portfolio website which easily takes 3 to 4 days to create it, but using Lovable AI, we have created it within few minutes. In next video, we are going to do few modifications in this website, and we will see how to perform a modification on an existing website which was created by Lovable. So as of now, I am going to do sign out. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.